Hey, what's up? I'm Colin. I'm a traveling personal chef from Bowie, Maryland. Pretty much all I do is go diving or fishing, and I cook what I catch for others. But really, it's way more than that. You see, I just got done serving in the Coast Guard for 7 years. In that time, I traveled a lot. I saw so many countries. I went freediving in so many different ecosystems. I've learned so much about different cultures. It's like, damn, all these experiences, how can I share them with others? How can I share them with the world? So I packed up my dive gear. I have all my family's special seasonings and sauces, and I'm on the move to travel the world and give some special guests that personal chef experience.
Minutes. This is a non-smoking flight. The use of electronic equipment is not permitted.
All right, tomorrow evening, we're taking a ferry over to Puerto Jimenez. We're taking a taxi from Puerto Jimenez to Drake's Bay. Drake's Bay is where we're gonna meet with my buddy, who's taking us on a Banga deep sea fishing tour. He's taking us spearfishing. He knows exactly where the reef is at. I said, look, I want red snapper, I want tuna, I want barracuda, I want exotic fish, I want lobster, I want all seafood. That's what I want. He says he'll take me to the spot, so I'm excited for that. Lobster, pescado, seafood, all Ocean2Plate. Let's go.
You see this waterfall? Do you see this? Go outside, bro. You gotta go outside. You gotta travel around. There's no way. Why would I not? Why would I not want to see the world? Once I started traveling first time, it was non-stop. I saw Puerto Rico. After that, it was over. We've been to Key West, San Francisco. We're here in Costa Rica. We got more to do. Way more. That's bomb. It's like, it's really soft. It's like the consistency of a slightly boiled carrot. Man, we out here trying to go fishing, man. Trying to see what's up there. They said go to this pier and it's gonna be pescado. They said grande pescado, so hopefully, I'm jigging right now, man. I'm jigging, but I don't.
Just out here fishing like the best. Nothing really shaking right now. I haven't seen any fish all day.
Gotta get the bait on the tip. Gonna hide it.
Where you from? You have no listening from Costa Rica? You from here?
last night. You and all your friends was on some other shit. Fucked up, act dumb. Would've been a shame had you never came through. Never been ashamed to put it on plain view. Scorpio vibe, hazelnut eyes, chocolate thighs. They burn the Mona Lisa when you smile. They gon' try to get you for the crime.
Is it okay?
Yeah, I kind of caught it a little bit.
Is it okay? Oh wait, this don't take this thing off.
Okay, we gotta hurry up.
Let's go. Is it okay?
Lo siento.
Crazy. That's crazy.
I didn't get the,
I got that.
damn, alright.
Let's do this thing. Kadosh. It's the best. We definitely gonna need more than just this one. I definitely have that list for. That's one for the win, but that's we need a little more. We need a little bit more fish, you know? This is not my standard of choice of fishing. I'm more of a get down in the water and see everything. But this is the way they get those big fast fish. You know, I can't catch it with a spear gun. But hopefully we get lucky. Alright, so check it out. Alright, so I have my gun. The 22-inch wooden spear gun. It's double band. I got my Yazbek neoprene gloves. These are my Yazbek gloves. When I shoot the fish and I catch it, all I'm using is these fins right here, the snorkel and mask. That's it. I'm just gonna get started right now. So.
This shit don't make no sense. Where you acting petty, got me tense. Ain't no love, ain't trying to make a mess. Ain't no friends, ain't your mess. Bottom line, you at the end. You one step up from phony, you pretend. Act like you can't be alone, you go depend. Shit, I'm done with all the games I hear say. That's no explanation, can't respect.
That's the only one I'm giving because mine. So, when you're diving underwater, you're supposed to equalize every couple feet. The pressure builds up. As you go underwater and deeper underwater, the pressure closes on your ear canals. I just fucking went lower and lower and lower. I saw him. I lined up my sight and I said, bah! And the spirit said, and the fish said, whoo! And he took an L. That fish took an L, but guess what? This is Ocean2Plate. I would like to get a little bit more than this, but this is definitely badass. You kidding me? Woo!
You put up a facade, I know that you need to. All that ducking and hiding, the boy got you.
fillets of bonita tuna. Not quite sure what I want to do with these yet. But there's solid meat, there's barely any bones. So that's what I want right there. Triggerfish, they eat coral. That's why they have these crazy looking teeth. They will jack you up. I mean, they don't mess with people. But oh, you see that? I did not do that. That was him. Where, monkey? Oh, monkey! Look, 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 mono. These monkeys. There's a baby one right there. Yeah.
This is the Personal Chef Experience, and we are here in Puerto Jimenez, Costa Rica. We're using all local ingredients. This red snapper is from here. This triggerfish is from Drake's Bay. Bonita tuna, delicious. These salads, all these vegetables here are from Puerto Jimenez. We're gonna take this yuca, we're gonna fry it like potatoes. We're gonna take these peppers and onion, and we're gonna stuff it in one of the red snappers. And this is all my ingredients that I've collected from around the world. It's my seasonings, my spices. It's gonna taste delicious.
So right now we're making some ceviche. This is the triggerfish that I shot over the reef. First up, I already took the main carcass bones out. Right now I'm about to fillet the meats off the skin. You don't want the skin. The skin's super tough. Boom. You want to get all the meat off the skin like this. You don't waste. You see? Delicious. Boom. Good to go. So let's go drop in the bowl like this. So this right here is the orange, and this right here is the lime. This is like a cross between lime and orange. This is between a cross between orange and lime. It's ridiculous. So what's gonna happen is all the acid in this broth, we're gonna pour it in this bowl, right? It's gonna be a hard one to pour in. All right, so right here, this is our ceviche. We're gonna go put it in the refrigerator. We're gonna wrap it up. And we're gonna let this sit. The acid in this bowl is going to cook the fish. It's a version of cooking. It's weird, but it's delicious. We'll put it in there for about 15 minutes, it'll be good to go. So this red snapper, bomb. I love snapper. I love it pan fried, I love it deep fried. Cut the snapper's head off, and I'm going to pan fry it. But first we're gonna stuff it with some onions and bell peppers. We're gonna sprinkle it with some seasonings that my mother made. Mama's mix, real deal. Snapper meat, it's really meaty. It's really good for, like, if you're looking for a really dense dinner, that's the one you want to go with. Next up, gonna pan fry this in some butter. Both sides, about 3 minutes each. That's it. All right, so this red snapper, I cut these slits in there, and this flour, I seasoned it up with a bunch of seasonings. So it's gonna be really flavorful breading. I don't do an egg wash. I do straight flour, straight to the fish. That's it. This is yuca. We cut it just like small french fries. It's kind of like a potato. That's what it tastes like, but it's not. So
So we just fried in some corn oil, add a little bit of sea salt to it. And I bet you no one's gonna know the difference. It tastes really good, it's really healthy. All right, so for this next dish, we're gonna go ahead and season up the pan with some local herbs and spices. And this is the fresh squeezed orange juice from earlier. That looks bomb diggity. That's what I'm talking about right there. Okay, welcome to my favorite part of the episode. It's the real deal, Ocean2Plate. All these seafoods right here were brought in locally. We went diving for some, we got some from the market, and we prepared it right here. All these ingredients from this location, Costa Rica, Puerto Jimenez. Right here we have some wraps with the tuna. These 4 sauces, these are my family sauces. We're not the 4th one, this is just the orange juice. This is a mayo mustard-based sauce for fried foods. This is a lemon garlic butter sauce. This one right here is uncle sauce. It's amazing on a whole bunch of seafoods. And this orange juice is delicious, poured on the fish. Fancy this one, got a balsamic vinaigrette at the bottom with cilantro, bell peppers. This is the yuca. It's fried up and it's really good. This is a fried snapper, delicious. I have the sauce right here. You dip it in the sauce, it's gonna be really bomb. The ceviche, oh my gosh. The oranges and the lime together, it's like sweet, it's like sour. It's like a orgasm in my mouth, it was delicious. That's really good. And this fish right here, delicious. We stuffed it with bell peppers and onion, and the sauce that we made with the oranges, delicious. This is all we got right here. Ocean2Plate, Costa Rica, Puerto Jimenez. All right, first thing I'm gonna try is that bonita tuna taco.
Bosso.
Let's see what's going on with this thing right here. What sauce do I want to go with? I think,
Yeah.
let's go with this juice right here.
Once upon a time, not too long ago, back when I was jumping like a rocket. Only about $1 in my pocket, still living good though. Hey, just kidding, riding with the homies, checking for the option. Looking for a spot where we could drop it. Roll a little green for the tropics.
That's soft.
Pull up to the spot, let's get it
At the bottom is incredible.
But come with 2 ladies, don't fuck up the ratio.
Red snapper over here, it's like rockfish in the B&B.
I don't even know all these motherfuckers. And these bitches look crazy. Niggas got my room mad hazy. Feel like I'm about to meet Patrick Swayze. This ain't no party, bitch, just a fun. Back up, you out of you lunch. Who did you tell you was gone? No, I do not.